Here's a brief description about the game 3's a Charm. You may first ask, why did I choose the 3 times table? It's because most students really know the 2 times tables and the 5 times tables very well by the time they exit first grade. And to learn the 4 times table, what is usually done is they double the 2 times table. So out of the very lowest timetables, meaning 2 times through 5 times, it seems as though the 3 times table is the one that is not mastered. Therefore, I devised this game to help kids learn the 3 times table better. The goal here is to teach the concept of multiplication along with the multiplication facts, numerical representation. As you can see on the cards below, that they have lots of pictures on them. We'll get to that soon. Also, this resource could be used in a few ways. One of the ways is to use it for first-time learners of the 3 times table. And what 3's a Charm actually is 4 games in one, or 4 different decks of cards. Down here we have 1 card from each deck. And I'm going to show you what I mean by the first-time learners of the 3 times table, because the decks should be played in succession. So the first thing you would do with a child that's learning the 3 times table for the first time is you should do this deck. And that is level 1. And what it has is the entire multiplication fact written on it. It's the beginner deck. You see on the back it says B, so you won't mix your decks up. Every one of them is labeled like that. The next level would be this deck. This is 1 card from that deck. And that would be level 2, and that is the novice level. And again, on the back it's labeled as such. This is missing both factors, and on the card itself there's a lot of scaffolding and pictures. So you would simply follow what it says. It says number of coins in each pot. Count them out, 1, 2, 3. And the student says 3 times number of pots, 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. It's given the answer. Level 3 is the apprentice level. And like the others, it's labeled as such on the back. It has an A. Again, this is only 1 card from the whole deck, so don't think that I'm showing you a deck here. It's just 1 card from the entire deck of level 3. And this one is missing a factor and the product. Again, scaffolding will help the child if they're not sure what the answer is. So it says here, number of leaves, 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 equals total leaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the last level, level 4, is the master level. There's an M on the back of all those cards in that deck. And this is missing everything. So to get started, they would have to refer to the picture because they have to know how to get it started. Number of dots on each is 1, 2, 3. So they say 3. Number of mushrooms is 3. 3 times 3. Now, it's here if they need it. They don't have to count the dots. That's fine. By this time, they may know the answer. So they would say 3 times 3 equals 9. And that's how that one is done. I was saying that there's another way or another use for this resource besides those that are just learning the 3 times table, and that would be a review of the facts for kids that are pretty good at it. Also, it's played like the Go Fish game, but there's also these lucky cards thrown in here. They're like wild cards. It's really a fun game to play. I'm not going to get into the whole thing now, but I just wanted to show you a little piece of what's going on here. So thanks for viewing this, and hopefully you'll try out the product for yourself. Bye-bye.